Hi, my name's Luke Dennis, and I'm looking for a bad man called Seth Walkley. He killed my parents. I'm gonna swear revenge.
Hey, my name is Seth Walkway. I'm trying to find a man named Luke Dennis, and I'm a killer. I wonder if he's here. Searching. He'll be here.
Where is he? Keep looking for him. Wait a second. Holy crap, there he is!
It's time to kill. Oh, no, you don't.
Oh, my leg! Oh, no! I hate that Seth Walkley. You know what he did to me? He caused me to be on these crutches for 7 years. Seth Walkley. Oh, guess the phone's ringing. Might as well go get it. I have nothing else in life to be good at. Who is this? Hello. Yeah? Who is this? Oh, the doctor. Hi. What's going on? Why'd you call me? Really? I get to walk. Again? I'm in physical therapy for a month? I get to go back in the army? Thank you. Thank you so much. I finally get my gun back. I get to fight. Look at me. This. I'm walking. I can go back in the army. I can fight.
Luke Dennis is back in the war. Oh, crap. I see him.
This time I got him. Yes! Hi, my name's Luke Dennis. I'm looking for a bad Nam. I said Nam. My name is Luke Dennis, and I'm part of the U.S. Army. And I forget my line.
Hey, my name. What's my name again?